Welcome to our instructional video on solving equations. In this video, we will learn how to solve for the variable x in the equation x divided by 10 plus 1 equals 3. This type of equation involves isolating the variable x to determine its value. Follow along as we walk through each step together. Let's get started. Step 1. To solve for x in the equation, x divided by 10 plus 1 equals 3. First, let's focus on isolating the term that contains the variable x. Start by moving the constant number on the left side of the equation to the right side. In this case, the constant number is 1 on the left side. To do this, subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. The equation will be altered as follows. X divided by 10 plus 1 minus 1 equals 3 minus 1. Remember, according to basic arithmetic rules, whatever you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other side in order to maintain balance. Simplifying this, you get x divided by 10 equals 2. This completes step 1. Step 2. Now that we have isolated the term containing the variable x and simplified the equation to x divided by 10 equals 2, our next goal is to solve for x. Since x is divided by 10, we can cancel out the division by multiplying both sides of the equation by 10. This is based on the principle that multiplying both sides of an equation by the same number keeps the equation balanced. So, multiply the left side by 10 and the right side by 10. X divided by 10 times 10 equals 2 times 10. This will cancel the 10 in the denominator on the left side, leaving us with x equals 20. Hence, x equals 20. This is the final step, and the value of x is 20. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.